This video is designed to give viewers a deep, cinematic, and creator-focused comparison between the iPhone 17 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra, analyzing real-world performance in every aspect that matters when shooting professional-style videos on a smartphone. The intro sets the stage for an engaging, high-energy, detailed breakdown tailored for tech enthusiasts, smartphone videographers, and everyday users wanting the best camera experience. The ultimate cinematic showdown of 2025 is finally here, and today we are diving deep into the most anticipated comparison of the year, iPhone 17 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, ultimate cinematic video test. A battle that pushes smartphone filmmaking to the absolute limit. And whether you're a content creator, traveler, vlogger, or someone planning to upgrade to the best flagship camera phone, this detailed breakdown will show you exactly which device takes the crown. So let's begin with, what makes these two giants so different? The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes armed with a refined 48MP primary sensor, a wide 24mm focal length, a bright f/1.78 aperture, dual-pixel autofocus, and that game-changing LiDAR scanner that enhances depth mapping, subject isolation, and low-light focusing. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra counters with its beastly 200MP sensor, the same versatile 24mm focal length, a slightly wider f/1.7 aperture, dual-pixel autofocus, and Samsung's signature high-resolution detail engine, though the absence of LiDAR does change how it processes depth and blur. Now, before we go further, both phones represent the peak of 2025 smartphone cinematography, and this entire video comparison, originally showcased by Versus, puts these devices through intense real-world tests including edge detection, white balance, exposure accuracy, stabilization, dynamic range, and low-light performance. And to make things even more interesting, their footage is compared side by side with the professional-grade Lumix S5 Mark II, giving viewers a true sense of how close smartphones have come to replacing real cinema cameras. So let's begin with white balance, one of the most crucial elements for cinematic aesthetics, because while the iPhone 17 Pro Max naturally leans into warm tones with more inviting, film-like atmosphere that enhances skin tones and sunlight, the Galaxy S25 Ultra goes for cooler and more neutral tones that present a realistic and balanced image, and this creates a clear stylistic difference. If you prefer that Hollywood-style emotional warmth, the iPhone nails it, while Samsung give you true-to-life neutrality, especially useful for outdoor and mixed-light conditions. Next, we move to exposure. And here Samsung takes a slightly moodier approach by underexposing scenes just a bit to add drama, while Apple maintains consistent exposure that balances highlights and shadows with very little fluctuation, meaning the iPhone provides cleaner, more dependable brightness, while the Galaxy offers a cinematic dark tone flair that some creators may love. Now let's talk about edge detection, where the iPhone 17 Pro Max rises above with its LiDAR-powered depth mapping that ensures crisp subject separation and stunningly realistic bokeh even in cluttered or complex backgrounds. Whereas the Galaxy S25 Ultra does well in straightforward environments, but can struggle when background details get busy, occasionally producing soft or incorrect outlines, though still respectable for a non-LiDAR device. Moving into stabilization, crucial for handheld shooting, walking shots, and dynamic movement, the iPhone delivers smoother footage with minimal jitter thanks to Apple's next-gen sensor shift stabilization system, while the S25 Ultra, though good, shows slight micro-shakes in fast-paced scenes, making the iPhone the better option for action scenes, travel, or any shooting without a gimbal. When examining dynamic range, both smartphones perform admirably but with different philosophies. The iPhone goes dramatic by enhancing contrast, making highlights pop and shadows deepen for an intense cinematic feel, while Samsung focuses on keeping everything evenly exposed, preserving highlight detail and shadow texture for a balanced, natural image ideal for documentaries, landscape shots, and professional color grading. So the choice depends entirely on your style. Now we enter low-light performance, one of the most difficult tests for any camera. And here the iPhone 17 Pro Max uses its LiDAR system to maintain beautiful background blur and strong subject focus even from longer distances, whereas the Galaxy S25 Ultra keeps the blur consistent, but struggles with increasing noise in darker areas, especially when pushed to extreme low-light environments. making both phones good for casual night shooting, but neither able to fully rival a dedicated large sensor camera. Speaking of editing, both devices shine with surprisingly powerful onboard editing suites. The iPhone excels in focus adjustment, cinematic filters, and advanced color grading tools that appeal to filmmakers who want full creative control, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out with superior speed adjustment features for slow-motion time-lapse and hyperlapse effects, giving creators the tools to craft dramatic motion sequences directly from a phone. However, when both smartphones are compared to professional Lumix S5 Mark II, the difference becomes clear. The Lumix retains sharper detail, cleaner bokeh, more accurate subject outlines, and better low-light clarity, especially noticeable when watching footage on a large screen, and this highlights important truth. While smartphone cameras are extremely impressive and perfect for social media, travel, and everyday filmmaking, they still can't fully replace the depth and precision of a dedicated camera sensor when producing professional-grade cinematic work. Now for the final question. Who should buy which phone? If you are a handheld shooter, a travel vlogger, a content creator who films action scenes, or someone who values reliable stabilization, clean edge detection, and warm cinematic tones, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a perfect choice. But if you want extreme resolution, detailed textures, flexible editing tools, cooler color science, and dramatic underexposed visuals, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra gives you more flexibility, especially for creators who like to tweak footage during post-production. Both phones are undeniably excellent, offering professional-style cinematic video without carrying heavy gear. But for large projects, commercial shoots, or anything meant for a big-screen display, the Lumix S5 Mark II or another dedicated camera is still the better tool. And with that, my final recommendation is simple. Choose the iPhone 17 Pro Max if you want consistent, stabilized, warm, cinematic footage right out of the phone with the best depth separation, and choose the Galaxy S25 Ultra if you want versatility, detail, and editing freedom, because both are incredible tools for creators. And whichever you choose, your filmmaking journey will be taken to the next level, and that wraps up today's ultimate comparison. Don't forget to subscribe for more cinematic camera battles right here on TechVerse.